At TerraCore Minerals, we are building a future rooted in precision, professionalism, and opportunity. From our base in Riverwai, Kano State, our alluvial operations showcase modern mineral recovery systems designed for efficiency and sustainability. At one of our newly set up and expanding operations, our work combines skilled hands and modern gravity recovery systems, designed for efficiency and sustainability. Every stage, from screening through concentration, is carefully managed to ensure maximum recovery and minimum loss in a systematic, professional operation capable of delivering high-quality concentrates for the international market. Beyond our alluvial operations lies the future of TerraCore, Shetu Mountain. Our 12 cadastre unit license sits on one of Nigeria's richest mineral belts, where tin, niobium, tungsten and titanium occur side by side. From proven alluvial production to large-scale expansion, TerraCore is ready to power global industries with critical minerals. Join us to unlock this potential together. TerraCore Minerals, from earth to industry.